And today I'm going to talk about what's happening in the real estate market in Broomfield. Hello, I'm David Lampy with the principal team at Metro Broker. So the highlights are the market is really pretty stable overall and looks pretty good. Months of inventory is currently 2.94 months, and that means it's technically a seller's market. Also, the days on market is really low right now. The average is 12 days on market for most listings. And the median price of a sold home in Broomfield is $665,000. So just a little over the average the median price in the Denver metro area. The median sold price has been pretty flat over the last several years. Of course, it's gone up and down a little bit, but from basically 2021 through about now, prices are pretty close to where they were back then, with the up and down variation. And I talked about the months of inventory being at 2.94 months. And what that means is with all of the homes that are currently for sale in Broomfield, if no more homes came on the market, then it would take 2.94 months for all of the homes to sell in Broomfield. This technically means it's a seller's market. However, that figure has been growing since after the COVID craziness that we had several years ago. At that point, we had really no inventory at all. And now the inventory is climbing. And a lot of times working with buyers, it actually feels more like a buyer's market. We really kind of have a split of two markets. You've got homes that are prepared well and priced well that are selling quickly. And then you have homes that are priced too high and that have anything wrong with them, like maybe they need some new carpet or paint. And those homes tend to be sitting on the market and not selling and going through multiple price reductions, and then also sometimes just expiring and being taken off the market. In fact, the number of expired listings has grown a lot over the past few years. We're seeing a lot of homes expire and be taken off the market because they didn't sell for the price that the seller was willing to accept. One thing that's kind of interesting in Broomfield is the sales price range. So basically, most of the sales happen in the $500,000 to $700,000 price range, which puts it, that median $665,000 median price right in the middle of that range, pretty much. But the other thing that's kind of interesting is the next highest range of homes that sells in Broomfield is over $1 million. And if you're not familiar with the Broomfield market, it's also kind of interesting about home sizes. There's a lot of homes. In fact, the largest number of homes that sell in Broomfield are under 1,400 square feet. These include a lot of townhomes and condos and smaller, older homes. And the interesting thing is then the next highest level of square footage that sells in Broomfield is the over 2,600 square feet. Of course, there's lots of sales in between, but it's just interesting that it's the most smallest homes and the largest homes that are selling the most in Broomfield. If you have any questions about what's going on in the Broomfield market, please reach out to me. I'm David Lampy with the principal team at Metro Broker.